In some cases, downgrading the firmware of your Pantum printer is required before installing chipless firmware. For the P2200 and P2500 series, any firmware version above 3.2.2.8 must be downgraded first. For the M6500 series, versions above 3.2.4.2 require downgrading. How to check your printer's firmware version. You can find your printer's firmware version by printing a report page through the printer's driver or by clicking the Get Printer ID button in the INKCHIP Chipless firmware. Steps to downgrade firmware. If your printer's firmware needs to be downgraded, click the appropriate link in the description below this video to download the necessary file from our website. Make sure to choose the correct file that corresponds to your printer's model and memory capacity. Open the downloaded file in the INKCHIP Chipless firmware and wait for your printer to restart automatically. After the restart is complete, you can proceed with installing the chipless firmware on your printer.